With storms slowly building across the region, Jason Bradley with Washington County Emergency Operations says many of southern Utah's most popular outdoor destinations could quickly become dangerous.
Any of our low-lying slot canyon, dry wash areas can be problematic for us.
The danger isn't always obvious. Floodwaters can surge into canyons from storms miles away, even when skies overhead are clear.
I'll use Zion National Park for an example. You may go there and it may not look like there's any problems. In fact, you may not even see a storm nearby. When I say nearby, that you can visually see, for a flood to come through that area.
And even the most experienced hikers and researchers aren't immune to the risks.
We've had a death in the last year or two from somebody that was actually studying hydrology, and they were killed from a flash flood. They didn't heed the warnings. When you go into those parks, a lot of times the warnings are there.
Washington County emergency teams say they're ready to respond if needed, but they'd much rather visitors make safe choices and stay out of danger.
We have great emergency services around our county, and we just hope you don't have to use them. We want you to be prepared and not get in situations that you're going to get in trouble. So don't drown, go around.
And when floodwaters rush in, the outcome can be tragic.
A lot of times when it comes to flood waters, flash floods, it's not a rescue, it's a recovery. So it's really important that you pay attention ahead of time and not be there. Avoid it.
If you plan to explore canyons or low-lying trails in the coming days, make sure to stay up to date with ABC4's forewarned weather forecast, or you can also visit 911register.com and sign up for real-time emergency alerts in your area. Reporting in Washington County, Cannon Sechrist, ABC4 News.